There is a story behind this, what I'm doing here. I promised to give this to my friend. She moved to her own apartment some time ago and I love her apartment. It looks great. Only one problem, her television is about this big. Her apartment, including her television, is white. All the furniture are very light, nice colors. I want to paint this also white. I've never painted plastic. I'm really not a pro of that. It's also interesting to see how long this paint will last when it's finished. Actually, my first job ever, like a real job, full-time job, was when I was repairing Sony products. Walkmans, Discmans, home stereos, and also even televisions. Obviously that time there was no flat TVs. I think first 32-inch television I bought, I think it was 97 or something. And that was a huge television. Mostly I was repairing Walkmans and this kind of small stuff. Yeah, it's hard to believe that we repaired Walkmans and Discmans. Nowadays everything is so cheap to make, so they don't repair those anymore. Okay, what we have here. I will just start to remove some screws and let's see if I can take this apart. Of course I didn't have to take all this stuff away, but I kind of, in a weird way, I'm enjoying this kind of stuff. It's something satisfying to do this stuff. This one is actually aluminium, so that won't be a problem to paint, I think. I would also like to paint this stand. This part I will leave black, but this part I will paint. I really don't have any right kind of sandpaper even for this settings, but I want this text away and it's a little bit, you can feel it, so I want to sand it away. Good. This is going to be my test piece. I sand it with many papers. Now I will add this plastic primer. 1 or 2 layers are enough. Now I will let it dry for 30 minutes and then I will add this white paint. It's snowing actually, but let's try. I can't do this inside, it's smelling so bad. This first piece is fine. These edges are not white, but this piece is obviously plastic, quite flexible, and there is this kind of aluminium look, brushed aluminium look here in the front. This looks like a chromed. If I will just sand this and then I will just paint it white, is it going to last? Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a old TV. Doesn't look that bad. It's actually pretty good. This piece doesn't look that good. These sides are fine, but this part which was kind of a chromed, it's a little bit different. There are some scratches and stuff, but after all this is behind, so I'm not so worried about this. And this cable holder, this paint looks pretty good. The problem is that this clip is broken, so it won't stay very good there, but I think I will just put some hot glue. Next I have to paint this frame. I'm pretty sure that it's aluminium. It looks like aluminium, it feels like aluminium. But is this paint or some other treatment to this aluminium? This I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to sand it. I also would like to have this Samsung logo away. It's a little bit higher, this text. Okay, I found out that these letters are just some kind of stickers. These are just stickers. That helps me a lot. That's great news. It's still pretty old school stuff. There is a different box for HDMI connectors and USBs. I will just glue it here with hot glue. I think it will be fine. And it's a hot glue, you can still take it away if necessary. It's really not bad. I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, of course, it's not perfect, but it's not bad either. I'm pretty surprised. Now, the question is, does it work? Let's try. Yes, it works. That's good. It's so slow. It's only about 7 years old and this thing is low compared to my TV what I have now. Speakers work too. That's good. Perfect.